Kudankulam nuclear plant officials now have said that they fear for their security and safety and have sought protection from the state government. Officials have even submitted a petition to the district collector. Let's go across to Vikram Gopinath, who's joining me live with more details on this story. What kind of threat are they talking about, Vikram?
Well, Tamanna, there is a significant development with the Kudankulam Nuclear Power Employees Union have approached the district collector of Tirunelveli and have actually given across a petition saying that they fear for the security and safety of their lives. Now, this is a copy of the petition that they had actually given it to the Tirunelveli collector, wherein they clearly mention about the safety and security that they fear. They clearly say on the 13th of October, when the protests had begun, they were not allowed to go continue with the duties, and later on, even it has affected the other 6,000 contract laborers as well as 1,000 permanent employees of the Kudankulam nuclear power plant. But at the same point, they also clearly say that the family members and children have been affected because they could not use the buses over there. The schools have been closed, and hence there is enormous panic in the minds of the NPCIL employees as well as their family members. So now they've demanded for protection and to ensure that their family members as well as all these employees be allowed to continue with the duty, and hence they've approached the district collector. What we hear from the district collector is that they've also in turn informed the SP of Tirunelveli, and we believe that this issue might be resolved as soon as possible.
Now, Vikram, these protesters have made sure that there's no work at these plants for the last several weeks. They've even been blocking roads to the plants. But now this is a specific charge of physical assault of the workers.
Well, indeed, for the first time, they've actually come out with a written letter to the district collector, wherein they've said that there is a question mark on the safety and the security of these people. Let me tell you that at this point of time, only about 100 employees, essential employees, are carrying out the maintenance work within the nuclear power plant, which includes the fire safety personnel. But otherwise, all the employees have stayed away from work, fearing from a backlash from the anti-nuclear protesters. The officials in turn have actually asked the district administration to allow 1,000 more employees to ensure the maintenance of the nuclear power plant is not affected, and hence they've again sought for permission from the district collectorate to ensure that 1,000 more employees can enter the power plant. But at this point of time, only about 100 people have entered. The standoff still continues, remember, between the anti-nuclear protesters as well as the government, the central government. There is already a panel that has been formed by the Prime Minister, but they have still not yet got in touch with the anti-nuclear protesters or with the state government over here. So we'll still have to wait and watch how the talks go about. But at this point of time, they have the employee union has approached the Tirunelveli collectorate and asking for more protection.